55, in a trivia competition, your team earned 60, negative 100, 300, 120, and negative 80 points on 5 questions. The sixth question has a value of 300 points. By how many points will your team's mean score per question change if you answer the sixth question correctly? So in order to calculate change, we need to know both the new score and the old score, whether we get the question right or we don't get the question right. So let's check our mean score right now. We've got 60, negative 100, 300, 120, and negative 80, and that's on 5 questions. So to find the average, we'll find the sum, 60 minus 100 plus 300 plus 120 minus 80. We're going to take that sum and we're going to divide by how many numbers there were. There were 5 scores. Let's see, 60 minus 100 is negative 40, plus 300, that's 260, plus 120 would be 380, minus 80 would be 300 is my sum, divide by 5 questions, and that would give us an average score of 60 points per question. Now, if we throw in the mix one more question that we get for 300 points, so we're going to add 300 to our score. But now instead of dividing by 5 scores, now we've got 6 scores. How does that change things? Well, remember, before we had 300 points. If we get a 300-point question correct, now we've got a total of 600 points. And we didn't have 5 questions, now we have 6 questions. So 600 divided by 6 bumps our average up to 100 points per question. But that's not our answer, because they asked by how many points will your team's mean score per question change. So the change is new minus old. So new score is 100 minus the old score of 60 points per problem gives us an average score increase of 40 points. Letter A.